What's going on, believers and Bitcoin Army? Guys, we've got a lot going on. The overnights were not kind to the Bitcoin price. But we're going to talk about that in just 1 second. Here's an intro.
Trying to put money in your pocket, that crypto wallet, that bing bada bing ching ching big profit.
All right, guys, as you can see here from the Bitcoin price, we're trading at 21,150 right now, and that's down from an overnight number as high as 22,170. If you want to count the earlier evening, 22.4, but it did not last. The European, the Middle Eastern markets did not hold up very well. They continued to bleed. Now, they've been bleeding for a few days. You guys have been seeing it. Here we go into the American market. The Dow is about to open in just a few minutes. The overnight was looking at a negative 200. If we take a quick look at the Dow overnight right now, then we can see the stock trading is looking like it's going to be down 448, which means there's another big sell-off coming. Remember, I think we had a lot of hopium yesterday where the entire market was expecting that 75 basis point from the Fed. We got the 75 points from the Fed, and then the market started to take off. Well, that, just like the month before, led to the next day, which is going to be today, where the entire market said, oh my God, what was I thinking? And we're probably going to see the prices come down. Now, that being said, this is one of those buy opportunities. If you are on the sidelines and stable right now, then you're probably feeling really good about your position, because this is going to be an opportunity to get in a spot where you never thought you were going to get in again. Think about this and think about where you are, guys. Bitcoin is going at $21,000 right now, and you didn't think you would ever see this price again. Think about that for just a second before you decide whether or not you like what's going on. All right, in other news for Bitcoin, the Treasury Minister of El Salvador dismisses Bitcoin investment losses, calls media reports biased. Now, what you started to see was the global media saying that El Salvador could collapse, that it might just fall. Why? Because it went so hard into Bitcoin, and now the price is tanked. And you know what the El Salvador minister said? And that's the absolute best thing you could ever see. He doesn't care what everybody else thinks. Sure, we're down just a little bit, but if you take this as a picture in time, they're seeing it as a gross buying opportunity. And you know what? They're accumulating more. They're hodling more. They're just waiting for this market to blow up. When the market dumps again today, which I think is going to happen in the next 40 minutes, same thing's going to happen. So I love El Salvador. Well, let's move on. Bitcoin and Ethereum retreat from key hurdles. Altcoins trim game. We're going to see a big dump in the market, guys. All of the news that you're seeing right here is going to be about today's, what we're going to call capitulation day, because we're sitting at a market cap that's very low. We're sitting with prices very low all around. The support level of 1,050 at Ethereum has been blown through a couple of times. It's only a matter of time before it continues to fall. Everything else is moving down. We're not really seeing prices being held very well. So that's going to lead to what I think is going to be a big collapse today. We're going to watch it. Then we're going to be able to ape in at a great price. Guys, listen, if we go to 16,000 Bitcoin, imagine how life-changing that opportunity is. If you are stable and you are sitting on the sidelines waiting for an entry point, imagine if you told yourself a couple of years ago that you could get in on Bitcoin at 16,000. Now think if you were doing that in November of this past year. That would be a life-altering opportunity for you. So just remember what you're getting into, and let's move on. Guys, opportunity is about to slap you in the face. It's whether or not you're prepared to take advantage of it that tells the difference between whether or not you are going to make it. It's very simple. If you're on the sidelines and you're ready for this moment and this spot in time where this market dumps, everything falls out, and you have an opportunity to accumulate at a much cheaper price, who are you going to be and what are you going to do? I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to be buying a lot of Bitcoin, and I'm going to be buying a lot of Ethereum over the next couple of days. This is not financial advice. My name's Bleaves, and I'm always right. And you guys, be careful in your trading today, because this one's going to be messy.
I'm looking for the good life. Good night. Sitting on top of the world, I wanna be shining.